We were on our way to Ekard. The road stretched on, and the heat of the day had begun to weigh on us. By the time we reached Namakkal, we were tired. We decided to take a short pause at our Napan Park. Evening had just begun to settle in. The path was alive with people walking, children laughing, and in the heart of it all, the pond shimmered quietly. It wasn't just water. It was a living world. Egret stood still, watching the water for the slightest ripple. Cormorants spread their wings in the fading light, drying themselves after a long day of fishing. A purple heron moved through the reeds, each step measured, each motion deliberate. The air was warm, but the sight of these birds brought a stillness within me. It was a reminder that even in a place filled with movement, there are moments of calm if you know where to look. We couldn't stay long. The road to Ekard was still ahead of us. But as we left the park, I carried with me not just the fatigue of the day, but the quiet grace of wetland winds.